Hybu Cig Cymru has travelled to the Far East to raise the profile of Welsh lamb in Asia. Hybu Cig Cymru attended the HOFEX trade show in Hong Kong as part of their ongoing drive to promote Welsh lamb and Welsh beef around the world. Welsh lamb is already featured in some top restaurants and hotels in the region, but Bill Joyce, HCC's marketing manager, is now hoping to see it on more menus.
Welsh lamb is now in a number of leading restaurants in Hong Kong and also two very high-end retailers. There's a distributor in Hong Kong that's working really hard with Welsh lamb and getting very good prices for the product. The recession in Hong Kong is nowhere near as bad as the UK. In fact, it is still very much a sort of powerhouse of Asia, and people are still going out and spending a lot of money and wanting a very high quality product.
During the event, HCC visited importer and distributor Sutherland to talk to Romeo Alfonso about Welsh lamb. He says people in Hong Kong know what makes Welsh lamb unique.
Because of all the weather, all the fertilizer, the farm, okay, that can raise the Welsh lamb really well, and quality content is very distinctive from the other lamb. People want to know more about Welsh, and even not only lamb, but other items from Welsh as well.
Right.
Yeah, so that is why we are trying to get the Welsh image come to Hong Kong.
It's hoped that more Welsh lamb could soon be served up in more top restaurants in Hong Kong and the Far East. But the question now is whether it can be as popular as rugby in the region.
Oh, definitely. I think the two are very much linked together. There's a very large expatriate community in Hong Kong, and what they want is very high quality lamb to have while they're watching rugby.